Put a little darker primer over the bottom half of the car. I've used some Stynal Res dark gray primer, and for the top coat I'm going to be using the Testors Aztec opaque red. So here we go. Painted up here. The top half is in the charcoal black metallic, and the bottom part is just opaque red from Testors. And got the fenders here. I'm not sure whether I'm going to go with the fenders or not. Got the chassis all painted up, ready to go. And just sort of push it together, the other frame, with the brown metallic paint on the bottom. Get the tires and wheels pushed together, fitted together, and I got the interior all ready to go here, all painted up. Let's see if I can maybe focus a little better on that. The gear shift and that. I guess I need to put a black wash on the steering wheel. Got the decal, there's a sticker actually for the gauges on the dash there. I did some gray primer on the floor just to give it some contrast. Again, with these the chopped roof, you won't see much inside probably anyway. So next step is just put it all together, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I'm back again. I was just about to begin the build process, putting the windshield piece in, and then I realized I wanted to put some chrome around the windshield here just to trim it out. So I took a chrome marker for that, and a little chrome molding along the side, if it's visible in the camera, just along between the red and the black here there's a line. So I put some tape along one edge and went down that with the fine tip chrome marker with that, and then brushed some, when that was dry, brushed some Future over it just to seal it. So now I can begin the process of putting the pieces together and finishing it off. So I've got it mocked up here with the interior tub is in, and I put a little magazine, a hot rod magazine on the front seat, and I've just got it mocked up here like this to see what it looks like without the fenders. I'm not as keen, I know a lot of people like this style, I guess I'm just not as keen on it. If I was doing it this way, I'd like to have a lot bigger tires on the back, I think. So what I'm going to do is take this apart and end up going with the fenders. I think with this paint job the fenders would look better on there. So hang on, and I'll turn this around and be back in a second with the final version. And here it is, the fenders on, all together. Came out pretty nice. I think I like it like that. The grill, show you the underneath part here with the brown metallic on the floorboards. Just 2 screws, one in here and one in there, just to pull all the body and chassis and frame together. Put a little bit of red marker on the wheel caps here. Got the chrome trim on the sides. Got the stickers they provide for the license plate and the tail lights. Got those on. So yeah, it looks pretty classy. A little hot rod, the beige tan interior. So there it is. Took a little while longer than I thought, but came out nice. So thanks for following along, and soon we'll have another video up, see what's up next.